Hi everyone, welcome to Abhishek Technologies. This is Abhishek. In this video, I am going to discuss one of the topic keywords in Java. So in Java, we have 50 keywords. Out of 50 keywords, both constant and goto keywords are reserved words. So both keywords cannot be used in Java program. For easy remembering, I have divided all 50 keywords into 10 categories. First one is Java file. In Java file, we have three types of keywords. These are class, interface, and enum. Second one is data types. In data types, we have 9 types of keywords. These are byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. These 8 keywords will be used as data types and also return type. Void. This keyword will be used as return type. Third one is memory location. In memory location, we have 2 types of keywords. These are static and new. Fourth one is control statement. In control statement, we have 11 types of keywords and it is divided into 3 parts. First one is conditional. In conditional, we have 5 types of keywords. These are if, else, switch, case, default. Second one is loop. In loop, we have 3 types of keywords. These are while, for, do. And third one is transfer. In transfer, we have 3 types of keywords. These are break, continue, and return. Fifth one is accessibility modifiers. In accessibility modifiers, we have 3 types of keywords. These are private, protected, and public. Sixth one is modifiers. In modifiers, we have 8 types of keywords. These are static, final, abstract, native, transient, volatile, synchronize, and strict FP. Seventh one is inheritance relationship. In inheritance relationship, we have 2 types of keywords. These are extends and implements. And eighth one is package. In package, we have 2 types of keywords. These are package and import. Ninth one is object representation. In object representation, we have 3 types of keywords. These are this, super, instance of. 10th one is exception handling. In exception handling, we have 6 types of keywords. These are try, catch, finally, throw, throws, and assert. Unused keywords we have discussed before. These are constant and goto. Default literals. These are not keywords. So first one is reference literals will be null and second one is boolean literals will be true or false. Hope you understand this video. Thank you all. Thank you.